Like a cannonball, redrum.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be straightening my hair. As you can see, this is how I am starting off. And then I asked my mom to just do some African threading on my head. I have a tutorial that I'll link down below, but I'll be posting an updated tutorial really soon.
I know that we would have been so good. I know that we would have been.
I love African threads because they help stretch my hair without using any heat. About 3 months ago, I went to a lady's house and she decided to blow out my hair, and some of the curls in the crown of my head got messed up, but thank God to a lot of treatment it went back to normal. But literally after that, I kind of just got even more traumatized with using heat on my hair, and that is why this video was filmed kind of late too. I was supposed to film it in November, but now it's January, and that's just because I wanted to wait a little bit before I use some more heat on my hair. As you guys can see, I mainly divide my hair in 2 sections. On the right side, I just have a regular ponytail, and on the left side, I have it in 3 sections. The lady that also blowed out my hair, she blowed it out because she wanted to do a sew-in. She didn't use any heat protectant spray, so as you guys can see, I'm usually crazy with the heat protectant spray. So I just sprayed it all over the bottom section, and then I wanted to pass the flat iron over my hair twice, but then I just thought whatever. I really wasn't feeling it, so I just decided to continue to pass the flat iron over my hair once. And of course, I'm using a tiny little comb to be chased by the flat iron. This just helps your hair to be a little more straighter. And my goal honestly wasn't to have my hair to be bone straight, because if I wanted to have my hair super straight, I'd use lead heat protectant spray, and I would actually need more heat, which to me personally, I really don't feel like it's worth it. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you guys know that I don't use heat at all. The minimum amount that I stay without using any heat on my hair is a year, and I can go up to 2 to 3 years without using any heat. But of course, since I usually don't see my hair straight like this anymore, I just wanted to straighten it out to see the length and to see how my ends look, because when I trim my hair, I usually just trim it with my hair stretched thanks to my African threads. And if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I trim my ends, I'll also leave it down below. But anyways, I just wanted to see if my ends were fucked up and how much my hair has grown. I really wasn't expecting to see length this year because 2017 was pretty messed up for me, but somehow I did retain some length. So yeah. This really isn't a tutorial. I just felt like straightening my hair, and I filmed it for you guys to see. For the other sections, I didn't place heat protecting spray all over it. Each section that I take out to flat iron it is when I place the heat protecting spray, and then I just flat iron my hair once because I just felt like it. So yeah, now I'm just going to speed it up for you guys to see how I did my whole head.
Always been the type to hesitate. Lost my shot because I pushed away. And I know that we would have been so good. I know that we would have been, but I was still hoping that you would run after me. You never did. I'd rather be protected than rejected. Someone never let you in. I became someone so careless, selfish, heart so numb. I won't risk my heart catching fear. I wanna be the one you loving, but I'm acting up as if I don't even feel nothing. I'd rather be the one you take under the covers while you touching, making love, and that's the truth. Be the one, wanna be the one, but I never open up to you. Started getting up, we just friends, nothing new. Before we official call it off, I do. I can't read your mind if you feeling me too. So I walk away and I leave it to you. I wanna be the one you loving, but I'm acting up as if I don't even feel nothing. the truth. Be the one, wanna be the one, but I never owe it up to you. Too hard to tell if there's mutual feelings. Impatiently waiting, I'm waiting on you. Taking too long got me cringing inside that I won't speak up first. Way too scared I refuse. Cause I ain't a snitch to my feelings. Start assuming other girls you be feeling. Sticking to my business. Guilty, no I'm not innocent. No, I'm not innocent. Cause when I be feeling some type of way, I be acting up, doing stupid shit just to do it. Don't know what I'm trying to prove. I got that fuck your feelings attitude when I really just want you. Acts like I hate you, but I just hate loving you. Hating that lustuous feeling, that craving desire when I just want all of you. You gave up my heart when I wanted to. Now it's shattered like glass, as sharp as the cracks. Too many pieces still here from the past. No one's ever really fought for me. Took advantage, then they tossed me. But I'm becoming ones that hurting me. Fucking heartless, I don't wanna be. But you ain't speaking up either, it's got me fucked up. I don't wanna be the one you loving, but I'm acting up as if I don't even feel nothing. I'd rather be the one to take under the covers while you touching, making love, and that's the truth. Be the one, wanna be the one, but I never owe it up to you. Always been the type to hesitate. Lost my shot because I pushed away. And I know that we would've been so good. I know that we would've been, but I was still hoping that you would run after me, you never did. I'd rather be protected than rejected. Someone never let you in, I became someone so careless, selfish, heart so numb. I won't risk my heart catching fear. I wanna be the one you loving, but I'm acting up as if I don't even feel nothing. I'd rather be the one you take under the covers while you touching, making love, and that's the truth. Be the one, wanna be the one, but I never owe it up to you. Started getting up, we just friends, nothing new. Before we official call it off, I do. I can't read your mind if you feeling me too. So I walk away and
So I'm finally done, and as you guys saw, I didn't use any heat to blow dry my hair, and I only used one flat iron pass, and I still got my hair pretty straight. Of course, it isn't like silky smooth or whatever, but that wasn't my goal anyways. And in the end of the day, my ends are still fucked up, but they're much better than I thought they would be, so I am pretty satisfied. So now I'm just gonna like fix my hair up or whatever. So regardless of the setbacks, I am pretty happy with how my hair looks now. So if you guys want to know how I've been growing out my hair, I have a bunch of videos on my channel. You guys can check it out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.